Alright guys, so the question is, how much did all this cost? Well, not too much. The Savage itself was $149.99. Then I got the engine mount for $12.75. Then I needed the wheel nuts for another $20.12. Then we needed the gas tank, which was $20.87. Then we had the these bulkhead mount plates, $3.50. I needed the body mount, so I had to buy shock tires and the body mount, $6.40. Then I got the smaller 47 tooth spur gear, $11.48. That came out to a total of $263.44. But I do buy more throughout this video.
That seems lean now. Oh, man. Yeah, that's running lean. Guys. Do not know if you can tell. Too well. That's broken there. See how it broke. So I should be getting a new pull start tomorrow. I've started filling the differential, so I've got the rear end taken apart. Rear part of the car, it's taken apart, Savage. And I got a million weight going in here in the back, and then I got 100,000 in the front. Alright, second time around, doing the front diff, I realized I don't have to take the whole thing off. We're doing 100,000 in the rear, a million in the rear, 100,000 in the front. My brain is dead.
So essentially, I forgot that I had set the throttle endpoint adjustment to 60%, so I wouldn't have like a complete runaway if for some reason my throttle got stuck during testing, and then forgot about it, and I was like, man, this whole thing's slow. Well, turns out I forgot to change that setting so my throttle opens all the way. So I'm just not very bright. So you can see I broke the spear gear, and that's okay because I'm buying a new one, and I'm also getting a 17-tooth clutch bell. But if you didn't see the total for this video, was $308.96 just to get this thing running. So I'm not including the new gears in the total price of what it took to get this thing to run. I am happy with what I spent. Definitely paid less than what a lot of the eBay auctions were going for buying one of these complete. So I think that's a good price.